Ready? Start. Sir, the University Grants Commission has already started making its impact on the universities, and the House will bear with me that the Commission has before it the most difficult task of reconstructing and rehabilitating our universities, and I think I am expressing the general opinion of the House when I express my feelings of gratitude to the chairman as well as to the members of the commission. Paragraph. Sir, the Commission had to face certain difficulties during the year under review. Stop. I shall first of all say a few words with regard to these difficulties. Stop. The House is aware that the year under review has been a year of great strain and stress. Stop. There was a time when there was acute shortage of steel and cement, and at one time the Ministry of Finance gave a directive that in order to save steel and cement for the essential projects undertaken in connection with the implementation of the core of the plan, no new construction program should be undertaken. Stop. As a result of this shortage, unfortunately, the construction program of the universities was hampered. Stop. I think it was very unfortunate because just at this time we needed more buildings and accommodation for the universities. Stop. But this is a matter which was beyond our control. Stop. The situation is easing and it will further ease and thus enable the universities to go ahead with their construction program. Stop. Paragraph. Sir, with regard to foreign exchange, the House is aware that there was a shortage in this regard also, and the University Grants Commission had to face special difficulties in obtaining the equipment and apparatus both for the science laboratories and the technological institutions. Stop. I am, however, glad to inform the House that we have now been able to secure a special allocation of 20 crores of rupees by way of foreign exchange to meet the requirements of the universities for the period January 2004 to March 2004, and we have also taken steps to make suitable provision for foreign exchange for the period April 2004 to September 2004. Stop. We have already indicated this to the University Grants Commission, and I understand that they have informed the universities about the availability of foreign exchange, and I hope that this would now enable the University Grants Commission to go ahead with their plans. Stop.